So you know how I like LED lights. So I can't leave my friends hanging with yellow looking halogen lights. They gotta have the best light possible. So today, we're gonna be installing LED headlight bulbs on this 2000 Toyota Avalon. And I'm gonna show you how they look and tell you how I think about them. Let's get started. So this is what you're gonna need. Realistically, all you need is a 10mm socket or a driver and a drill or a screwdriver with a Phillips bit. I obviously used a drill. Now just pop the hood, and both headlights are actually pretty easy to get to because all the screws and bolts are on top of the headlight, so you can easily get to them. So now all you have to do is just undo the 3 screws that hold the headlight. So I was able to pull out the old bulb and unplug it without removing the headlight, but I tried to remove the headlight to make it easier to install the new one, but that didn't really work out as I planned. So here's the new JDM ASTAR bulb. It feels like it's made out of a plastic material, but it feels durable enough to be a headlight bulb, and it also has a built-in ballast, which is nice because it saves a lot of space. All you have to do now is just twist the bulb back into its position and you're good to go. But it's a bit of a hand workout trying to get that bulb into that tight little area, but you can move the battery, which probably would be the smarter decision. After that, all you have to do is just tighten up those 3 screws again and you're good to go. All you have to do now is just close the hood and see what you've just done. So, let's see how these things look. I put one in. I can't see. So as you can see, the LEDs are so much brighter than the regular halogen bulbs, and there actually isn't much glare at all, and yes, I did test it, and the beam pattern is actually pretty nice, and I just think that they make the car look a lot nicer. And that's it. Thanks to JDM ASTAR for sending these LEDs to me to test, and I'll post a link to their store and coupon codes in the pinned comments below. And I hope you peeps enjoyed this video, and if you have an Avalon, this is a headlight bulb replacement video for you. Well, see you next time. Bye peeps.